In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hierarchy within a parameter dropdown in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this step-by-step guide will help you enhance your data visualization with ease. First things first, let's begin by opening the Tableau public app. Once you have the app open, you'll need to access your worksheet. This is where your data exploration journey begins. With your worksheet open, we can start by configuring our view. Take your order date field and drag it to the column shelf. Once it's there, you should set it to month continuous. This step helps in organizing your data timeline-wise, providing a clean and progressive view of your data as you move forward. Now let's move to your rows. Drag your sales data here. This step will plot your sales figures across the timeline, allowing you to visualize the trend over time. Next, look to the drop-down arrow in the data pane. Here you're going to select Create Parameter. This option is pivotal for setting up dynamic controls, allowing flexibility in your data analysis. Once you're ready to create the parameter, it's essential to give it a meaningful name and set the data type to string. This is crucial as it allows for better data manipulation and interpretation later on. Continue by selecting List from the parameter control box. Here you'll click on Add Values From and choose the data source and then the region. This step is all about building a nested hierarchy within your parameter, helping you group certain data points in a structured manner. For enhanced functionality, add all to the list and move it to the top. It's a quick way to create an all-encompassing view of your data with a single click of your parameter. You can also refine this structure by adding specific states under their corresponding region. Once you're satisfied with your grouping, click OK to confirm. To make the parameter useful, ensure you click and show this parameter on your worksheet. This action displays the parameter control, giving you interactive capability directly on the dashboard. For the final touches, click on Analysis in the menu and create a calculated field. This calculated field can be where you implement logic based on your parameter selections. Give this field a name, type in your query, and finalize by clicking OK. As a last step, drag your newly created calculated field to the filter shelf. Here, select True and confirm one last time with OK. This allows your visualizations to update dynamically based on the selected parameters. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've enhanced your Tableau dashboard by integrating a parameter dropdown with hierarchy control. This powerful configuration can offer better insights and a more interactive experience for your Tableau viewers. Thanks for watching, and make sure to use these techniques to optimize your data analysis.